right. You're so right, Timmy. You're so fucking right. Oh, there's stairs.
That would have been a good time. That would have been a good time.
Come here.
True.
You want to play rock, paper, scissors? Who does it first?
I don't have a gun. You forgot to bring mine.
Hey, roll, go drop those. I know. Roll gonna shoot. I know who.
Whoa, we got killers. We got killers.
How do we revert it? How do we revert it? How do we revert it?
Good job.
How do we revert it? How do we revert it? Revert.
Wait, what the fuck just happened, Dad?
An automated device
what the fuck
that
happened?
cannot be stopped.
Revert it.
Seconds, everybody in this town is going to die. In a mere 25 seconds, the entire town will be electrified.
What?
Peanut, you're
Nobody
killing
knows.
people.
I'm sorry, boys. I'm sorry. I thought he was bluffing. I thought he was bluffing.
You took something from me. You took